there, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from artorai.com. A little while ago I made this video. It's about a little craft haul that I got from the range. I'd always known that they stocked craft items, but I'd never really gone looking before. I actually only went in that first time for a trimmer, paper trimmer, couldn't find one. Went in today and what's the first thing I saw? Now I don't need it. But never mind. So this is another little haul. I don't think it's as major as the last one, but I did get some really nice stuff, particularly one item. I think what I'll do next time I go into the range is I'll actually film it as I'm going round so you can see what's on the shelves. There were so many nice things that I wanted to buy and just couldn't afford, because if I'd put everything I wanted into my basket, it would have been far too much. There's just so many lovely things there. And it seems to be different every time I go in. So I might record my visit next time, as long as I don't get asked to leave or stop recording, because private properties have the right to do that. But I'll see how it goes anyway. So here's my little haul, and here's my first item. These really caught my attention, because although I do have flower dies and I have a cutting machine so I can make my own flowers if I want to, there's nothing quite like having ready-made ones that you can just pop onto a card or other project. So I think they're really nice. So they were just £1 and these were $1.49, which I don't think's too bad. Okay, don't laugh at this one. These are some quite large bows. These were $1.49. So I am going to make a photograph album for my sister for a wedding, and I thought I could put this on, or one of these on the front of it anyway, and bag's just fallen over. And if it all goes well, then I could save these and make some more wedding albums for people to furnish themselves with photographs. So I don't know, we'll see how that goes, but for the price I thought it was pretty good. So it's a little stencil set. This gave me a bit of a nice surprise. I bought this because I do need more practice colouring. So I thought this might be good to give me a bit of practice, but when I picked it up out of the bag, this happened. This fell down. So you end up with two for the price of one, which I hadn't realised when I bought it. So I was very pleased about that. So we have like fairy castle type of thing and an underwater theme. And I thought it would be nice for me just to practice to make some nice cards and notebooks and activity books for children, and colour the stencils in myself along the same theme. I do want to start making activity books for children, so I've got some safety scissors here. I'm going to start making colouring books, package them with colouring pencils and things like that. So different types of books, colouring books, puzzle books, activity books, just things like that. And maybe some little art and craft packages that they can have the scissors too, and they can have a go at cutting out. So I'm not sure of the age rate. Children 4 years and over, so quite a wide range of children can use those. So I went in looking for sort of like do you call it pet tape? Like a clear washi tape on rolls and things like that. But I came across these again for kids. So these are insect foam stickers and easy peel stick and foam scissors. They're all cakes. I mean, they're just, easy peel and stick foam cakes. These will go great on cards and things like that, and other projects for children. I think they're lovely. They had a lot of packs of these in all different colours, but I really like this one. This is a monochrome Gemstone Stickers, as if I don't have enough decorations. But yeah, they had different colours, and I just think these are really pretty and not bad for the price, so some of those as well. I do have plenty of clamps, but these caught my eye because they're so nice. I really like these ones, and they're really strong as well. You know, you can feel how tight they are. So when you're making notebooks and things like that, you can get a really good grip to keep the pages all together. These were just £1 each. So I'm showing you all these at once because they all came from the same shelf. Like I said, I'm doing my sister's wedding album. So I got these $1.49 for those beautiful wedding 3D stickers. A beautiful stamp. I think that was only £2 as well. I will have a look. But I just thought they were really nice. And obviously they'll do for other wedding cards and things as well. And I just love these. I couldn't make up my mind whether to get these or these, so I just opted for both. Wedding gonk stickers. I mean, I had a gonk when I was a child, and I just loved it and lost it, of course. But these are just gorgeous, and they're really shiny and nice. I think these would look really nice as well. The stamp's beautiful, and some wedding scrapbook sticker book. So I thought this would be really nice to put some stickers inside of the album. Just some little decorations. They're really lovely as well. I was very pleased with those. Right, and you may wonder what on earth all this is made of. So we're now reaching the end of summer, and at the range they had a couple of really nice autumn displays. So I've seen a few videos on YouTube where people have made notebooks for children with like spiral ring bindings or normal ring bindings. I don't know what you call all the different bindings, but what they do is they put like beads on, and it becomes like a little fidget thing for kids, sort of fidget with the beads and what have you, even for adults as well. So I thought I would give that a try. I'll try and remember to put the price on. I think this was about £8. It wasn't cheap, but when you think about it, what you're getting for all of it in this beautiful leaf shaped container, I don't think it wasn't worth it. So I think that's really nice as well. So this is the one I've been saving till last. It wasn't cheap, it was £5 for a paper pack, but look how beautiful it is. I did see one, like a summer one with bees and beautiful, beautiful papers on, but I thought those things are the type of things that I can print off on my own. This I can't because it's all foiled. It's foiled decorations on the papers, which I just think is absolutely beautiful. At least I think it's foiled. I'm going to open up now just to check. I couldn't really see anywhere where it said that they were foiled. So I'm going to open it up now. Oh yes, absolutely lovely. You can see those, can't you, how beautiful they are. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's absolutely beautiful. I wish you could see it properly because the light in here is not great, but these are just gorgeous papers. They had an entire aisle dedicated to paper packs, like different patterned ones, plain coloured ones. Just, oh, look at that. These are going to be fantastic for making notebooks and planners and things like that. So like I say, that's the main reason I got this rather than the other pattern paper ones. They did have some beautiful paper packs, but most of the paper packs there I could print off and use something similar by myself. I did want the one that was foiled, and it was £1 extra. The foiled ones were £1 extra than the normal paper packs, but I still think that's quite a good deal. So I think that's it. Oh, I can't find it at the moment, but I also got one of these as a joke for because my son is also my carer. So I've told him I bought a bell and he better respond to it when he hears it, and he just wasn't happy. So he walked off in a huff, but I just thought it was worth it because it was, to see his face, it was brilliant. So I got that as well. And I also got a folding chair because of the limited space in my craft room, I've had to get rid of my spare office chair, which I was a bit upset about. But this one's great because it folds up. I can tuck it behind the table that I bought to replace it, so I can put my stack cutter and things on it. And now when I have company, there's still somewhere for people to sit. So I think that's it. What of other couple of bits and bobs, nothing really to do with crafting. But the trouble is, when I walk into the range, there's just so many things to buy. You're either spoilt for choice, or you just end up spending far too much, or both. So I did spend quite a bit this time, but I'm hoping that I can put it all to good use. So if there's anything in particular that you would like to see me make from any of these things, please let me know. Just drop a comment with a suggestion in the comments below this video, or on my Facebook page, in my website, just in any way you like. If there's anything you'd like me to make using these, please let me know. So thank you so much for watching. It was just a little haul this time, but I hope it was useful to you. Thank you again. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye now.